Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zia and I'm here with the second episode of Happy Business. So in our previous episode, we discussed about the essentials of business. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about what is entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a systematic innovation which is purposeful and an organized search carried out with the help of market research or market analysis. So basically, in simpler words, you are disrupting a conventional method of business or a conventional method that's already existing in the market with your innovative product or services. So what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is fostering entrepreneurial activities in a large organization, especially if you want to develop a new product or you want to have new features in the existing product or branding of a new product. Entrepreneurship has a lot of significance. It helps a company foster an innovative culture in the company and also identifying new opportunities, encouraging new business ideas, strategy and planning, and also it shows the growth of the company. Moving forward, it shows what are the projections of the company, whether the company is profitable or not. And it also helps in the team building because an entrepreneur is the one who builds the team. He's the leader, and as you know, the teamwork is the dream work. So entrepreneurship helps the team building. So I hope the concepts of entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship are clear to you. So if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask in the comments, and I'm always here to help you. Take care of yourself and happy business.